touch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now.
What do you think the K can stand for?
Knowledge?
Knowledge, very good. What do you think the A stands for?
Action.
Action, perfect. How about the P?
Plan.
Your guess is, it's actually people. People. Persistence was really guessed it. People. The reason for it is, if you look at it, nowhere in this formula is the word money or capital. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
But people will be the source of all your deals and all your capital.
Right.
So if we look at this as an example, action is the center of it. Without action, without doing, without taking action on an opportunity, nothing will happen, right? The more action you take, the more results you get. But your first step is to take action on knowledge. You should never make an investment you don't understand.
We belong. Don't have what you need.